Sometimes, everyday life is full of challenges, making it hard to decide where to start. The same goes for many cities with complex questions relating to public safety, traffic, and sustainability. The city of Huancayo, Peru's fifth largest city, and a center of commerce, chose to focus on one of its challenges: public safety and security.
De lo que se trata es que a Huancayo no pueda llegar modalidades delictivas como hay en el norte, el crimen organizado, el sicariato, etc.
They installed 50 cameras in the most critical areas, and connected them to an operations center.
Este proyecto actualmente cuenta con 50 cámaras de videovigilancia, que tienen 4 cámaras fijas y una cámara rotativa, que genera pues los 360 grados de cuidado de la ciudad.
They now have a wide area overview of the monitored areas, and can zoom in to see details like this and this. With the new system in place, it soon became clear that it offered possibilities beyond safety and security. Thanks to the live camera views, the operations center also has a very clear view of the city's traffic situation. And the results started to show.
Tenemos algo de 3.378 intervenciones visualizadas con la cámara de videovigilancia.
Next, Huancayo also started to use the system to discourage and prevent other inappropriate behavior, such as damaging green areas. Even the practice of unauthorized commerce was discouraged by sending off a nearby officer as soon as the infraction was detected.
Nosotros como Gerencia de Promoción Económica que tenemos que velar por el orden en nuestra ciudad, uno por ejemplo en el tema del comercio informal, el comercio ambulatorio en las distintas vías de Huancayo, impiden la transitabilidad vehicular y peatonal, y también en el tema del control de los locales nocturnos. Entonces, con la instalación de las 50 cámaras de videovigilancia en Huancayo, creo que de alguna manera ha contribuido en que este desorden poco a poco se vaya controlando.
Now, Huancayo plans to expand the project with 50 more cameras. So a project that starts limited to safety and security could end up with a broader scope.
Creo que esto ha conllevado en conjunto a que el trabajo que realicemos día a día se vea garantizado en que el nivel de inseguridad ciudadana en la provincia de Huancayo esté bajando constantemente.
This city has seen that a smart video solution can help them address multiple challenges by using its resources more efficiently. And what initially has a local impact might, in the end, contribute to a smarter, safer world. Will your city be next?